last one. Here's the bike as it will be, minus these aero bars that I haven't put on yet because I'm still training outside and I don't want aero bars. But my bike pack bag sponsor, Oveja Negra, were nice enough to give me all the bags in my favorite color, fluorescent orange, which also looks great. My Amy D kit. I love the matchy-matchy. I will be wearing laser helmet. And in my jersey pocket, I'm also going to be wearing this awesome cycling cap to help sun out of my face, because sun can be pretty bad. In the back of my jersey pocket, I'm going to be carrying some lightweight arm warmers that are also SPF 50. Sun can be pretty bad. And then this here, which is a nice windbreaker by Pearl Izumi. Lightweight, could also serve an extra layer if I'm getting freezing. I decided to not have the front roll. I think that was a debate of mine. I was able to fit everything I needed in here. So in here I will have, first off, Pearl Izumi rain jacket. There could be a chance of rain. Need that. My sleeping bag, which is a 30 degree bag, by Western Mountaineering. Nice, lightweight. It's the same one I took on the Colorado Trail. Pearl Izumi wool socks for sleeping mostly in case it gets cold. An extra bib. I like to switch them out every other day and keep them clean. Talked about those touch points. I will be taking the X-Frame as a sleeping pad. This is a Sierra Design bivy. I like this bivy. It is completely waterproof, so it can actually serve as a tent, sort of. Some scrub pants, just in case I want to sleep in something other than my chamois, which I will. And I could also just get up and go in those and then change. Personal preference, this is a pillow. I like to get a couple hours in at night. And last but definitely not least, a very lightweight down jacket in case it gets freezing in the high country. And that is all in that bag. In here I have a place where I could put some food. This is like my grab bag. And I also have a pump in here. My frame bag, important. I am going to go ahead and carry a 1.5 liter of water. This is a filter that this makes it great because I can fill up from streams, or I don't have to worry about getting sick from the water. I have a hose that'll be in line here. It'll go through the aero bars and I can continually drink as I ride. I also have some spare tubes in here. And then there will be room for food to eat, dinner, etc. And this side pocket over here, I have personal items for bathroom or what have you. Some tablets to clean water. Cords for iPhone and my Garmin. And then this is an Anker battery that's how I will charge. This bag here is where I'm going to keep an extra water bottle where I can put nutrition in. Mostly I will use tablets for that. I have a headlamp. And then I have all of the rest of my repair kit in here in case something happens to the bike. I need to be ready. Duct tape, a spare cleat set for my shoes, patch kit, and plugs in case I get a bad puncture. And then this here, I have a knife. You never know, you might need it. A lightweight multi-tool with a chain breaker. CO2 and the head to pump up the tire. Tire lever, and then, of course, a quick link in case my chain breaks. And that's it. Thanks.